Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain a simple and important Python problem, that is how to swap two numbers using their temporary variable. First, swapping means exchanging the values of two variables. For example, before swapping a equal to 5, b equal to 10. After swapping a equal to 10, b equal to 5. So basically the values change places. Let's start coding. First, I take the first number as input from the user. Input takes the value as text, so I use int_of to convert into the integer. The value is stored in variable a. Similarly, I take the second number from the user and store it in the variable b. Suppose the user enters a equal to 5 and b equal to 10. Now a contains 5, b contains 10. Now I create a temporary variable called temp. So I store the value of a inside the temp. So now temp equal to 5, a equal to 5, b equal to 10. This step is important because we don't want to lose the original value of a. Now I assign the value of b to a. So a becomes 10, b is still 10, temp is still 5. At this point the original value of a is safe inside the temp. Now I assign the value stored in temp to b. So b becomes 5. Finally, the values are swapped. After swapping a equal to 10, b equal to 5. Finally, I print the swapped values. Let's run this. Enter first number 4 and second number 5. The output is a equal to 5, b equal to 4. And next, enter first number 5 and second number 10. After swapping, a equal to 10, b equal to 5. Now try this code with different numbers.